rangba Conrad sangma minta ke sngi ula pelat paidbah ye ki kali thamai ki pulit ha police officers mass golf ling shalong kum ke sin jam ka bakong san ban pynphriang ye ka let ka wan ka ket ka rong ye ki pulit ka be kam be jam ka jinglet kan ra kam sneu bat ka jingla ban a ye ka jing shakri ka bha shaki paidbah da ki pulit ka jila Ka Director General of Police ay nongrang kalayadan lang hakani ka program haringkat ki he officer ka sorkar ki he pulit bat ki pulit ka tnat Meghalaya Police. Hakani ka program la pyntip bahadu khandai pusan tali ki kali la dap banthiet na ka benta ka tnat pulit ya ka bah nyu khandai tali ki kali la thiet Lyngba ka song pisa bala ai da ka sorkar India hapo ka Central Assistant to State Police Scheme. Haga bakaran haga jingalang Menteri Rangba Conrad ke sangma ula banjor ye ka jingdan kam jang ka suk ka san haga nongsynshar khadar bat banjor ye ka jingkut jingbut jang ka sorkar ban pynphriang ye ki bor pulit Lyngba ki jingkin show pisa bat ki jingpynkhlaiñ ki bayai biteng
Today we have given an additional 95 vehicles to the police force to be distributed in different districts, and this is in continuation with our state government's commitment to ensure that we are able to maintain law and order and support our police forces and enhance their capability and strength. So whether it's manpower, recruitment, whether it's the infrastructures at the grassroots level in outposts and police stations, whether it is training of our police force, or whether it is logistical support like vehicles and also different ammunition and other equipments that are required. In all areas, our government has been supporting the police force to enhance their capability so that they are able to perform their duties in a much more efficient manner, which will ultimately, of course, benefit the people of our state. The attack, any kind of violence, is something that from our party side is completely unacceptable. And the way it was done and the way the church leaders were attacked and the loss of lives that was there is something that we have highly condemned as a party. And we urge the state government as well as the people of Manipur that we need to ensure that violence must stop, and we must continue to work together as a society to work towards bringing back peace in the state of Manipur, as Manipur has been suffering for a very long time, and if we do not have peace, we will not be able to move towards bringing back normalcy in the state of Manipur. Sworn in Assam, and therefore let a few days pass. I will communicate with Honorable Chief Minister Assam, and we will definitely take the discussion forward soon.